Hey guys, this is Dr. Locke. I wanted to get you ready for your first module in Excel by pointing out a couple of things that are new. One thing in this module that is going to be different is that there is a quiz over the order of operations. So there's some review material here in this link. There's quiz prep, just to review what is the order of operations. If you remember back from middle school and high school when you learned about that, you probably learned an acronym, which was PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, that reminded you of what the order of operations is. So that information is there along with some practice problems to get you warmed up. Then there is a practice quiz so you can get a feel for what kind of questions are going to be asked. And then there is the actual quiz down below. And so you want to give yourself a chance to do that, because once we start using Excel, you will make use of the order of operations as you begin to write formulas and do calculations using Excel. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you're going to learn to use a new learning platform called XPrep. It's actually just a grading platform that is solely for use in Excel. And so we have some assignments that are built using this platform. And so I'm going to walk you through that as well. So you will want to check out the next video that is a student orientation assignment walkthrough to help you complete that first XPrep assignment successfully. Let me know if you run into any problems.